Now you will learn how to install a plugin in WordPress. There are two ways to install a WordPress plugin. I will show you the both way. So watch the video till the end and stay with me. Okay. At first log in your WordPress dashboard. Now click or hover on plugins menu. Now you can see install plugins and add new plugins option. From install plugin you can see your installed plugin. As we installed a new plugin, so click on add new plugin options. Now you can see a plenty of plugin is available here. First way, you can also upload plugin files by clicking upload plugin options and choose your plugin file. After choosing your plugin file, just click on install now button and your plugin will be installed. Other way to install a plugin from this plugin library. You can also see a plenty of plugin is available here. If you click the popular option, you can see all popular plugins is available here, and you have to need some important plugins to install. You can also search plugin from the search bars option like search plugins. If you just write the plugin name, the plugin will be automatically appear here. As I write rank math, a popular SEO plugin, you can see rank math is available here. Just click on install now button and rank math will be installed. If you click activate button, then it will be activated. You can see it will be active. You can also activate it from install plugin options. If you just click activate option, then it will be activated. In the popular section, you can also see all popular plugin list is here. Like Elementor, the most popular page builder, contact form 7 for creating contact form. You can see Lightspeed Cache, a cache plugin, WordPress security, a popular security plugin. Each of the plugins have a useful use case. If you need any of them tutorial, then let me know in the comment below. Like Elementor, you can create a stunning design website by using Elementor. By using contact form 7, you can create a contact form. By using rank math, you can do proper SEO for your website and optimize your blog post perfectly. I will teach you all of the popular and essential plugins use case step by step. So if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel right now and stay with me. I hope you have learned the proper way to install a plugin in WordPress. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Click the right video. I will see you there.